Hi, my name is Patrick. Now SNAP exam is over, so we come up with the expected score versus percentile for SNAP 2023 and the colleges cutoff. I mean, the paper was a little tougher than the last, especially the quant section. I think almost similar. I'm not seeing major difference. So I've just put the score versus percentile. I mean, expected to be similar to last year. That means the 39 marks would be around 99.5 percentile, 37 marks would be 99 percentile, and so on. So this is the expected scores. Yeah, obviously this is just expected, predicted. It could change plus minus 1 or 2 marks, but yeah, this is what is expected. Because once you've written the examination, you will also have to look at your accuracy, how much you get, and based on that, you'll get the marks. Remember that. Also, I put the cutoffs, tentative cutoffs for each, like general category, 98 percentile for SIBM Pune, 65 percentile SC, 25 percentile, 35 percentage for DA. Okay. So these are the expected cutoff for various colleges. For example, if you're targeting like SSBF, just give an example. So I need as a general category 60 percentile. If I need a 60 percentile, I'll look at targeting around that 21 marks. So if I get that much, then I should be able to somehow get a call from SSBF. So the idea is to give you a fair idea. So I have not all colleges. I have not taken a few colleges. Like I think there's healthcare management and few other colleges which are there, but most of the colleges are covered. So major are SIBM Pune, SCMHRD, SIIB, SIBM Bangalore. SIOM is very good for operations. So if you're really interested in operations, I think SIOM is one of the good colleges that you can target. SIDTM was initially not a decent college, good college in quality, but they have redone themselves, branded themselves as digital and telecom management, and they're coming up decently because a lot of placements are happening in digital, so they are doing well. So you can look at SIDTM. SCIT is more of computer based. If you're interested in finance and you're not scoring very high marks, SSBF is a good option where the cutoffs are comparatively lower. If cost is not a factor for you, then SSBF could be a good factor for finance. Same way you have SIBM Hyderabad, Nagpur, SI, and so on. So these are colleges, cutoffs for general category, SC, ST, and DA approximately. So this will give you a fair idea as to what the cutoffs for different colleges are, and based on that, you can accordingly plan your preparation for PIWAT, etc. if you're expecting, right? So all the best for your results. As I said, cutoffs, any percentile at one page, so you have fair idea as to how much you need to score for each of the colleges, right? All the best.